This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands.
Unang sa tanan, kay thank you sa tanan ni Ato Gari, kay Maski Layo, niyang uban kinasaag pa, pero nakatuntun sa tanan, so thank you sa tanan Ato. Wish na po na si Atina, kay magpadayon siya na buta na bata, na unta, maminaw siya kay mommy and daddy.
This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, nagpapalaki ang Masi Bravo, happy birthday, Masi Atina!
This is where it all begins.
Happy birthday, Atina! Wishing you the most joy in your birthday today. And be a good girl. And always remember that Mom and Papa loves you very much. And your Lolo and Lola. Happy birthday!
And let go, time to see it all. Don't think about tomorrow, today we are heroes, here adventure call. There are whole new worlds to see. I keep running, and my feet keep lifting me like I'm flying. Time to see it. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins.
Thank you very much, Lord, for the blessing. Nagitagaan mo, tagayo pa ang tasyag taas pang kinabuhi.
This is where it all begins. This is where it